in this video I want to show you how you can apply tempered glass on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. You will need the tempered glass, window cleaner, and also additional wipe. I can also recommend you to put on this silicone cover that you can find in the box to not scratch your back while applying the tempered glass. So let's put it like that. Okay, right now you don't have to be afraid of scratching the back of your phone. And also the good lighting condition, it's what we need to see all the mess that we have on the display. Right now I'm going to zoom in a little bit and we are going to start. So we have to open the box with the glass. There's the glass itself. And inside we can also find the wipes. Wet and dry. We are going to use this one at the first. And unfortunately this one comes dry. So that's why you have to use this window cleaner. We have to apply the window cleaner on this small wipe. And right now we have to clean the screen. So just make moves in the circle. You have to remember to reach all corners and edges. Okay, as you can see, it looks definitely better right now. So the next step, we have to open the dry wipe and we have to remove the wet marking. Okay, and right now, simply clean your screen. As you can see, everything is fine with our display. So the next step, we have to grab the tempered glass and we have to remove this sticker. It's attached right here at the bottom of the glass. So let's grab it like that gently and then take it off easily. Okay, and right now we have to grab our glass like that in the 4 fingers. We have to start from the upper section of the screen. So put it like that. Try to put it correctly for the both edges. When you are sure that everything is fine, like in my case, put your finger right here and also put the bottom part on your display. Right now, as you can see, it goes automatically, but you can also press with your finger to make it a little bit faster. Okay, right now I'm gonna clean the screen, and as you can see, we can find under the glass glue marking. You can remove it by pressing on it. Take a look. As you can see, it disappears when you just simply press on it. Okay, and as you can see right now everything is fine, so we can turn on the screen. And there it is, everything works fine. I'm gonna decrease the brightness level. No problem with the touch interaction, so we can easily apply protection on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.